think that when you talk about insurance, someone needs to die in order for that person to be able to leave a legacy and in order for the family to benefit from the policy that was purchased. That was the way olden times, decades ago. Nowadays, I'm here to share with you that financial solutions have already evolved. No? And to cut a long story short, I am here to share with you two of the best on their respective classes when it comes to financial solutions, particularly insurance products. I hope you're going to be interested because, by the way, to briefly introduce what my team or myself do for Sun Life, our team handles the high net worth clients of Sun Life. These are the clients who pay at least 10 million pesos in insurance premiums. Many of them pay even hundreds of millions. I also sit within the product development